Hey there, all my scrappy friends. Suzanne here in the studio today with another edition of Stash Bashing Through Challenges. Today we revisit the Counterfeit Kit Challenge for June. And if you saw the kit, it was a digital kit and it had lots of bright colors, and I found it to be very icon-y, meaning having lots of icons, not necessarily iconic, meaning so distinctive that you wouldn't confuse it with anything else. So anyway, all of those icons were floating through my head, so I went through my last of line papers and I came across the hashtag selfie line by Echo Park. Check out these papers and colors. We've got green and purple and yellow and pink and red and sort of a magenta, white and black. And then we have this. On the other side of that, we have this, what do you call that? Oh, you know, flashbulb effect. I can't remember what they call it. Oh, darn. Anyway, and then I had this other piece, which is the cut aparts, and a big black and white floral on the back of that. What was on the back of those cameras? Oh, just a plain stripe. So there are our three, sort of my starting place for my kit. I also had the stickers. But that is all I had for this selfie line, which is why it was in my last of line. I just had a little bit left. I remember using some of this for scrapbooking my daughter. So now I thought, how can I improve upon that? So I went to my 100 pattern papers and see what I could pull out. And I found this pretty green. It's a Happy Easter. Don't really need the carrots on the other side, but the green is definitely nice. Ties right in there. Then I found a fun doodlebug floral, and that plays up the magentas and the pinks and the green as well. I thought that was a fun addition because there were flowers in the inspiration kit. And then we have this I Am Mom, also by Echo Park, and it's got the little hearts on the black and white stripe. On the reverse it has butterflies. That doesn't go quite as well, but I like these. And I also found another doodlebug, and these were just this grid pattern, and it's got, show that to you up close, it's got blue and green and orange and yellow. It is so fun. So that'll be a fun add-in. And then here's another, this is Hello, also by Doodlebug, and it has flowers. I wonder if that might even be the same line of there. But it's got the flowers and then more of that green that I'm really liking. And then I thought this white and wood grain would add sort of a fun element as well. So what should I do for embellishments? Well, I thought I could use some more stickers. Since this is talking about selfies, I saw these brightly colored cameras on here and just some various other things. It doesn't have rainbows, but it does have umbrellas. And then a small alphabet here. So that's kind of fun. It's got some cute icons on it. So I thought that was in the same mood. There were quite a few labels in the Counterfeit Kit, Inspiration Kit. So here I have pulled out some Pink Fresh, the mix. These have appeared in a prior Counterfeit Kit. So see if I can make some more progress on those. Here's this Happy Day. This is from American Crafts. I don't remember whose paper line this went with, but all I have is the sticker sheet, which is great because it's got all of those colors, purple and yellow, the soft aqua, pink and red. So that's great. And then because of the sort of brightly scripted there, I thought I would add in these. Talks about best friends, and the friendship was sort of the theme of the kit that they had pulled together. Okay, so that is mostly flat stuff. So what else am I going to add in? Well, at first I thought I would go with flair, and I have boxes and boxes of flair like this, and I thought I would just reach for the first one that had the most stuff that would go. And so we had some purple, we had some couple of rainbows, Be Kind, just all of those seemed like they were going to be a good fit. So I added that in. And then I also noticed they had quite a few hearts and arrows. So I have this box of leftover close to my heart acrylic shapes. And so we've got some stars, just a couple of arrows, bows, glasses, just all kinds of things in the bright colors. I thought that would work. I wanted to add in some black arrows as well. So these are some more close to my heart leftovers. And then when I was going through my racks, I actually found this fresh tag that says Friends on it. It's like a little shaker tag. It'd be nice to get that on a page, don't you think? So there you kind of have it. There's my kit. Let's see what I can get out of it. Since I'm starting late in the month, it probably won't be a lot of layouts, but hopefully they should be some really fun ones, don't you think? Okay, scrappy friends, I'm back. And as I show you these pictures, close-ups of the completed kit, I have to admit that it ended up that this kit was a total bust. I never scrapped anything from it. I reached for it 4 or 5 times off of my shelf, pulled it out, and just couldn't figure out any pictures to go with it, and didn't really feel like making up even page bases. I guess it just wasn't the right time for this kit. Maybe it was the style of it, maybe it was too bright and iconic, maybe it was just my mood and current circumstances, who knows. But I'm giving myself permission to totally break down the kit and move on. After all, time is too short to be wasting it making layouts I don't think I'm going to be happy with. So I'll consider this a lesson learned. And given that there was no paper harmed in the making or unmaking of this kit, it's fine, don't you think? Alrighty, I hope to see you back here soon. As always, I appreciate your time and attention. Bye for a bit.